Let's talk about nuclear radiation. We know radiation is a bit of a scary word, so let's look a little closer. Our average annual ionising radiation dose in the UK is 2.7 millisieverts. This is the average accumulated background radiation dose to an individual for 1 year. The level of ionising radiation that could lead to radiation sickness is 1 sievert all at once. More than 300 times higher than this amount. The World Health Organization says it's safer to work in a nuclear power plant than in a big city office, due to urban air pollution, which causes up to 7 million deaths per year. Only 0.005% of the average person's yearly radiation dose comes from nuclear power, which is the same amount you get from eating 1 banana, which contains radioactive potassium. This is 200 times less than taking a return flight to New York, and 100 times less than what we get from coal, which contains radioactive particles that are released into the atmosphere when the coal is burned. Nuclear can contribute to a world where we have abundant, clean and reliable energy at our fingertips. A world where we can power our homes, hospitals, schools and industries without harming the environment.